Hi everyone, I'm Rox.
And I'm Mia.
And welcome to
Tasty Bites, Tasty Bites, Tasty Bites, Tasty Bites, Tasty Bites.
We are here at Ocean Breeze on Camp Foster.
Today is Tuesday, which means it's Tikka Tuesday under their weekday buffet menu. And they are featuring a bunch of different Indian curries, and we're really excited to try them all. So yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome to our first Facebook Live, and today we're going to be showcasing our weekday lunch buffets.
Over here we have a nice selection of some rice and vegetables that pair well with our curries. One of my favorites is the green Thai shrimp curry, which I like to do is grab that coconut raisin rice and put some of that green Thai shrimp curry on there. It's a little sweet, a little spicy.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's good. That's good. It's like a good balance. It's not like spicy, but there's like a hint of spice in there. And it's really good.
Come and get your Tasty Bites. Cha!